No Filter is a very simple and minimalist coffee machine made of 3 removable components that guarantee its repairability. It can be used like a standard coffee machine. It needs water to operate, but also ground coffee. The coffee produced is comparable to that of an Italian coffee machine. Each part of this machine can be completely dismantled. Without a screw or glue, everything fits together. There is only 3 electrical components because this machine doesn't need more work. There is a resistance, a pump, and a piston connected very simply to the machine like electrical plug. In case of failure, the motherboard placed in the machine indicates by a light the broken component. You just need to remove it and change it rather than to change the whole device.